Hello everyone. How are you all doing today? I'm Nisha Sanjeev, a transformation strategist and founder of Hue, Her Unique Evolution. I love to talk, speak, teach, practice practical spirituality. Sounded like a rhyme? Well, today I want to talk about purpose because I've heard this so often in the past few days about, this is my ultimate purpose in life, this is my calling in life. Youngsters, I'm not saying you will not tumble upon or stumble upon, or you will not discover your purpose early in life. No, not the case at all. You can get it as young as, as when you're a teen. You may know what your ultimate purpose or calling in life is, of course, by all means. But I just need to clarify the misconception regarding purpose, the ultimate purpose, the bigger purpose, the calling in life, which seems to have become a sort of fad these days. You do something and, oh, this is my purpose in life. All good, all good. My dear friends, purpose evolves, purpose unfolds. It's not one purpose that you have in your life. Yes, that ultimate purpose in life, the ultimate calling in life is there. But that apart, you have various purposes in each phase of your life. For example, if you're a new mom, your purpose during this phase in life is to take care of that kid, to be the mom. If you're starting off on a job, your purpose is to see that you give your best and you take the best and move forward in the right direction that is meant for you, to discover that. Each phase of your life has a purpose. And unless and until you dwell deep into that purpose, you will not step on to the next phase. You will not get on to the higher level. Your next purpose will not unfold. I hope it's clear. It's like, it's like climbing a hill. You say, oh, my purpose is climbing the hill. My ultimate purpose in my life is to get on top of that hill. But when you get there and you put all your might, all your effort, you do practice daily, and you climb that hill, and when you get on top of that hill, you will see, oh my God, there's such a beautiful space over and above that, beyond that hill. And you would want to explore that. Until you got on top of that hill, your purpose, your only dream, and your only aim and only knowledge that you had, the only information that you had, and all that you wanted to do was just get there, and that is it, the climax. But when you get there, you see beyond that, and you see how beautiful the meadows are beyond that. There is a land on the other side. This is a metaphor I'm trying to tell you. Okay, apply that in your life. So each purpose, you put in everything that you can into it. Do it with utmost passion. Now, this is another thing. People say, I don't have passion to discover my purpose, because passion leads to purpose. Yes, passion leads to purpose. Passion also leads to purpose when what you're doing, you do it with passion. So give it all that you have in whatever you're doing in this current moment. Be still, be in the now, enjoy what you're doing, give it all you can, and that will evolve you into the next level, higher up, into the next rung of that ladder. And then there you give, that is your purpose for that period of time, and you give it your all, and that once you get on there, you will see something else for you there, higher above, and then you go climb that, And when you reach there, you will see something higher above that which is meant for you, which may trigger your interest. And that is how the purpose will unfold. That is how you will evolve. And that is how the ultimate purpose and calling in your life will be visible to you. You know, so don't get into this fad of, oh God, this is my ultimate purpose and this is my calling in life. Don't get into this verbatim, and this. It's also fanciful to say, I'm helping somebody and this is my ultimate purpose is to serve the society. Yes, of course, ultimate purpose. The bigger purpose is always when you help somebody. But you give some charity to somebody and you say, oh, this is my calling in life to give a part of my salary to them. Bullshit. Come on, don't fall for such thing. And you know what? Something else. When you are really walking your purpose, you don't feel like boasting about it. Yeah. Each time that you're doing something and that is your purpose of that phase, and if you're doing it with all your heart and might, and if it's coming from the pure space, you will not brag about it. You won't feel like bragging about it and sullying it, So what I'm trying to say is, give your best in each phase, in your multiple purposes, so that you reach your higher purpose. You see that higher purpose, what is it that you're destined to do, or what is it that you've come here to achieve or give in this lifetime. That will unfold only when you take each step. So that's why you say growth happens in each moment. Growth happens in each step. Purpose happens in each step, in each phase of your life. Each choice that you make. Each choice that you make gives you a consequence, and the choice and the consequence together is what makes you create your next purpose. I hope the message has landed on you. It's all to say that you cannot say, I have reached this is my ultimate purpose, or this is my calling in life. Yes, it happens for some at an early age, but for most of us, it is a process of finding out. It's like a ladder. It's like a ladder, and we are stepping up on each rung. As we step up, we see the next level, and then we go. So give every level your best. That's from me. God bless. Be happy. See you all soon.